mighty Magiswords. At Warriors for Hire headquarters, and you don't stop.
And so I says to him, "You're a speed limit." Anyone want any more breakfast beef before I wrap it up?
Oh, I'm late for work. Ready to go.
Grup, what do you mean by work?
I'm a cave dragon.
That's a job?
Yes.
How come we've never seen you go before, Duder?
You guys are usually out having adventures and or eating mollusks.
I really want to go.
Yeah, I must know.
Oh, you want to help me out with a project then?
Project?
Soon, in the barren wasteland. Welcome to the Cave of Stuff. So basically, it's the cave monster's job to stop people from getting the treasure. It'll be a huge help if you guys could test out the new traps we just installed.
What? Yes.
Oh, good. Let's tell the others.
And so I'm like, had you maybe considered the obvious red lever?
I know that feel, bro.
Hey, guys. My roommates are going to test the new traps for us.
Roommates?
Oh, sweet. Battle station!
Have you guys met my brother, Prug? I know these guys. We were stuck in a cave together once.
Why don't we remember that?
Soon, the first trap is right over.
What is that?
Oh, yeah. That's the frog missile Magisword, the treasure of this cave. It's my job to guard it. When the place is finished, you won't be able to get there till last.
Want that? This seems pretty basic. I'll use...
Choose your Magis.